Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust speaking rate and spoken content on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the spoken content. Then in this part in the spoken content, scroll down and then go to speaking rate section, and as you will see, there is an adjust button that you can adjust to increase or lessen the speaking rate. For example, you want your speaking rate to become faster, just drag it to right, just like this. And if you want your speaking rate to become slower, just drag it to left, just like this, to make it slower. And if you want to change it back to the default speaking rate, just drag it into the middle. And that's it. We have successfully adjusted speaking rate and spoken content on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!